Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming authorization in Music or iTunes and selecting a method. Choose a trusted DRM removal program or an audio recorder. The former removes protection, the latter captures audio. Once done, open the app and sign in so tracks appear. Now set output format to Mp3, bitrate 320 kbps, sample rate 44. 1 kHz, and pick a clear destination folder. Make sure you run updates on both the music app and converter before proceeding. This prevents compatibility issues. You'll add tracks or entire playlists to the converter and double-check metadata so titles and artwork carry over. Next, configure batch size and file naming, use artist title for clarity, and enable high-quality or sample-accurate modes. If using an audio recorder, set exclusive output and prevent sleep. Then play the tracks inside music while recording. Start the conversion and watch progress. Make sure CPU and network aren't overloaded, because interruptions cause gaps or corrupted files. Pause non-essential apps to prioritize audio throughput. You'll finish by validating files. Play several samples, confirm 320 kbps Mp3 and accurate metadata, and inspect file sizes for anomalies. Once satisfied, move files into your music library and create a backup on external drive or cloud. If a track skipped or has gaps, reconvert that single file with a smaller batch size or larger buffer. Sometimes lowering simultaneous conversions fixes timing errors. Finally, delete temporary files and reauthorize devices if playback problems persist. This often resolves permission-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.